Hi, I'm Shweta from Bonito Designs. We are here in Vinod's house, which is in Salarpuria Greenage. It's a 3 BHK house, and I'm gonna run you through all the designs we have done over here. So we are here in the foyer, which is the entrance. You must have seen in most of our Salarpuria videos, this is the foyer area which they are most creative in. So this is the wall cladding which we used, and to give the depth, we've used spotlights with the paneling covering over here. This is a very simple shoe rack which is in a step shape with 2 simple laminates, and it makes the place look very cozy and warm. We've used the same laminate over here, and this is the paneling done in the entrance. Hi, now we are here in the living area. As you see, we've used very basic false ceiling around, which has cove lighting and spotlights over here. Here as you come, we see there's a TV unit with 2 simple ledges which goes according to the color of the bottom drawers. We've used a tall unit over there, and we've used glass on both the sides so that if we keep artifacts inside, it can be seen on either sides. To complete this TV unit, we've used this beautiful paneling with spotlights over here, and it gives a beautiful look to the TV unit. On my right hand side is the kitchen. We have given the entrance with a beautiful wall paneling and spotlights. Over here, as you see, this is a bar counter and a breakfast counter as well. In the bottom, we have used Korean material with backside lighting. Over here, we have given cabinets for bottle storage, and we have given cabinets for chopping and cutting. On the left hand side, you see, we have given a cabinet which is concealing the RO. Over here, we have given frost glass just to break the monotony in the kitchen. We have given open storage over here and there just to keep salt boxes, coffee boxes and sugar. Over here, we have given simple storages. Coming to the bottom, we have given a lot of storages which is carrying a lot of tandem boxes and a bottle unit as well. In all these bottom tandem boxes and the bottle unit and the storages, we've used Kohler profile so that there should be no handles and it should be easy accessible. We are here in the kids' bedroom. As you see, there is a sliding wardrobe we have given and a loft, and we've used the same colored laminate and the textured laminate over here, and we've broken the rules of people who say that we have to use different colored laminates on loft and the wardrobe. This laminate is very unique and beautiful because it has matte and glossy finish as well. Over here, we have used a simple dressing table, and if you see, we've used the same laminate as the cupboard and the loft over here, and we've used profile handles which are really easy to handle and they're durable as well. We are here in the guest bedroom, and as you see on the right hand side, we've used this simple glossy finish of laminate on the cupboard, and we have sandwiched it with a similar color as the loft, and it gives it a very elegant look. Over here in the dressing room, as you see, we've made 2 simple drawers, and we've given this open cavity over here, and we've used the same color as the sandwich color, and we used the same color at the bottom as the wardrobe color. We are here in the Salarpuria master bedroom. As you see, we've used this lengthy wall very creatively. What we've done here is we've made a huge storage over here, and as you see, it continues with the dressing table which is opposite to the bathroom. We've given a few open shelves over here and few drawers over here as well. Here is the interesting part because as you see, we've used one whole plywood as a loft and the cupboard shutter as well. To break the monotony, we've used SS strips over here and over here. This is a huge wardrobe, so we've used the G profile handles to open and close the cupboard. Now if you look closely, we can see that we've used veneer with a polished glossy finish, and it has a very different and very strange texture, and it gives the room a different look. We'll use the same texture on the bed as you see here and on the side tables as well. Now as you see, there is a beautiful setup space over here, and we've used the same veneers, and this is a small storage where we can keep books. Now coming here is a test of drawers. We can keep books over here or laptops or anything which we need. We've used the same veneer over here as well. So this was about Vinod's Home Sweet Home. Hope you loved our video. Please subscribe to us on our YouTube channel and keep watching our videos. Thank you.